Ooh, okay. We're going to be doing a nighttime hair routine and the steps that I take to get my hair ready for night. And all these steps are crucial to retain moisture in your hair, and in return, you're going to get natural hair growth. Now, I look tired because these are just bags from working so smart and hard. When it comes to the night, I could care less about the hairstyle that I have in my hair because my whole goal is just to protect my hair so my hair can grow. I'm gonna link for you guys the video that I've done where I share with you guys different hairstyles that you can wear to bed. So I'm just gonna share with you guys one of them. In my night routine, I do all this before I go into the shower. So I take off my makeup and then now I'm doing my hair before I go into the shower. So if my hair was in a hairstyle all day, time for me to just do like an easy hairstyle and go straight to bed. Now, something is telling me just to do like the 4 plaits in my hair, the 4 braids, and just go to sleep. But what I'm going to do is probably do a different hairstyle. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is make sure your hair is detangled completely. Let me tell you guys why, because if you do not detangle your hair prior to going to sleep, when you wake up, you're going to have the worst time detangling your hair because your hair is going to get all like just tangled so bad, even more prior to sleeping. So all you're going to want so far is a wide tooth comb. I share my channel like the best combs for natural hair, and I also share natural kit must-haves. In case any of you guys haven't watched it, you can go watch it. Okay, so once you have detangled your hair, you're going to want to go in with moisturizing your hair. When you moisturize your hair, you are keeping the oils locked into your hair, and in return, your hair is saying, you know what, I'm gonna make your hair grow because you're feeding me what I need. So I go in with hair oil. Use any hair oil is great for your natural hair type. I'm just using the Blue Magic's castor oil. This is just what I'm using at the current moment. I don't use this all the time. I just pick up whatever I want at the beauty supply store that is within my budget and matches my hair type. But I always go in with like castor oil, any of those thick natural hair oils. Listen, I never miss this step. Even if I don't do a hairstyle, I always make sure I just throw in hair oil. This is what's gonna make your guys' hair look healthy, stay healthy, and help with growth. Listen, as long as you take care of your hair is gonna take care of you. Make sure you guys get this scalp too. Today I'm just gonna do 2 cane rolls in my hair. So I'm gonna part my hair in 2, and then of course I'm just gonna make sure I detangle this side. Don't click off this video yet because we still have more to do even after doing the hairstyle. So make sure you guys continue watching. If you do find it helpful so far, give this video a thumbs up, okay? Share to somebody. I don't know about you guys, but for me, I could care less how I look when I go to sleep. A lot of women are just like, oh my god, I don't want to look ugly in front of my boyfriend with this hairstyle. Me, I do not care, because it's either you want to have hair or you just want to impress your boyfriend. And me, I choose having hair and having healthy hair over impressing a boyfriend any day. All I'm doing is cane rolling my hair, and as you can see, like, it's not the most perfect cane roll. And when it comes to nighttime, you shouldn't care about your hair being perfect to a certain degree because it's going to be covered, depending, which we're going to talk about, depending on a few things. Okay, I think that happens to everybody, but yeah, so I just make sure that my hair is just in a style. The braids don't have to be perfect because I'm taking it out in the next few hours in the morning anyway, so why should I care? So we're gathering everything. So let me know down below what your fave hairstyle is to wear to bed. Now, as you guys know, as I told you guys in this video, I'm all about easy, natural hairstyles because once I'm ready to go to my bed, I want everything to be quick, fast, and then I go straight into bed. So comment down below if you also have anything different that you do during your nighttime routine for your hair. I want to see that. I'm all about knowing what other people do and if what I'm doing is similar to other people. Now, I want you guys to give this video a thumbs up so far if you guys are finding it helpful, and comment down below, do you also struggle when you are doing a hairstyle in your hair, especially after detangling it? Is it easy? Is it hard? Let me know. And also follow me on Instagram at Annesha.Adams if you guys like my hair and you guys want to see some of my Instagram photos that I take with my natural hair, because I'm posting a lot of that on my Instagram and a lot of hair tutorials on my Instagram. Anyways, as you see, I'm cane rolling the hair all the way back. We're almost near to the end of this hairstyle, and let me know what you guys think about this color in my hair. I'm going to change it. Okay, and then I always just twist the ends of these because I could care less, and I'm not plaiting all the way to the end. Tell me how it looks. Do you guys like it? Let me know down below. Again, as I told you guys,
I don't care how the hair looks because I'm going to be going in and covering it at the end of the day. So
okay, so once you have like, this is the hairstyle now. As you can see, I don't care. It's like big, it's ugly. I don't care. I just want my hair to retain moisture, be in a protective style to protect the ends and just the hair overall. And then we're off to bed. So after doing that, you're gonna feel a little bit better because you're like, I'm ready to go to bed. This tutorial is really quick. So we're basically almost done. So next, what's necessary is that you can go in with, if you're not using a silk pillowcase, you can go in with wrapping your head at night. So you can choose either between a bonnet or just like a silk satin scarf, just to retain the moisture in your hair and to protect your hair from breaking, and just to protect your hair. So if you like your hairstyle and you want to wear it in the morning, so you can either just go and put on a bonnet like this, and you want to cover every part actually. Or you go in with your satin, your silk scarf. And all you have to do is just wrap your hair in any way that you want.
let me know down below if you're a satin head wrap person or a bonnet person or both. I'm more of a bonnet person because when I'm wearing the head wraps, they're always sliding off my head in the night. I don't understand. I'll wake up and the whole satin head wrap is at the bottom of my bed and I'm all the way at the top of the bed. So I don't know, but I want to see what you guys like. Do you like both of them? Do you like one of each? And sometimes I actually wear the satin head wraps based on the hairstyle that I have as well. So I just use each one for different purposes. And ta-da, we are done.
So as you can see, I wrapped it super simple, easy. And then some people like going in with a bonnet for extra protection. I don't really do that. I just pick one of the other. Some people put it fully over like this, or they have the front sticking out. But again, it's just up to you.
I think we all know a girl who protects her hair like this. It's either you do it or you just know someone. So give this video a thumbs up or comment down below if you do. I would love to know.
Also follow me on Instagram if you guys haven't yet. You guys can look at some of my natural hair photos that I take. Overall, that's it. Basically a 4-step night routine on how to protect your hair, keep it moisturized, to promote natural hair growth. Again, it's really simple and easy. This video wasn't long at all. It only took 4 easy and simple steps that you can do. The only annoying part is just detangling the hair. That's probably going to take up a lot of time if you have to detangle your hair prior to going to sleep. But yeah, that's it. I'm going to link other natural hair videos on the screen here in case any of you guys want to watch. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Au revoir.